Karachi Literature Festival (KLF) and Managing Director, Oxford University Press, Amina Sayyed, has informed media here that the 3-day 8th KLF will commence on Friday 10th of February 5 p.m. at Beach Luxury Hotel. Aisha Jalal and Mustansar Hussain Tarar will be the keynote speakers at the opening ceremony. She told that since 2017 is being celebrated as the 70th anniversary of the creation of Pakistan, many of the scheduled sessions will focus on the theme of partition of subcontinent. Biographer of Liaquat Ali Khan, Roger Long, will also be part of one such sessions along with Akbar Liaquat. 146 Pakistani and 40 foreign speakers from 10 countries will participate in the KLF, which will have features like 18 book launches, Urdu and English mushairas, dance and Sindhi musical programs. Shabnam and Nadeem are also scheduled to be part of an event called Phool or Shabnam. Bobby Sager and Mohammed Hanif will be delivering keynote speeches at the closing ceremony. Commenting on its steady growth, she said that the attendance grew from 5,000 in 2010 to 175,000 last year. Co-founder of KLF, Dr. Asif Farooqi, noted that Karachi has become the mother of literary festivals and we should have more to contain conflicts in the society. German Consul General told that Germany is sponsoring one of the 5 literary prizes that will be given during the festival.